we gonna choose? The first one here, I have 574,261. And here, 582,000 only. So, first of all, if you want to compare, you should count each digit in each number. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Okay? So here 6 and here 6. Now you are ready to compare. So I'm gonna circle the number here in the biggest place value. I start from the left. Here 5 and here also 5. So what should I do? Excellent, I should move to the next digit. So here the next digit is 7 and here 8. So which one is the greater? It will be 8. So 582,000 is greater than 574,261. Okay, here the next question. I have 9 times 6. So 9 times 6 equal 9 times 2 plus 9 times 1. So this is a distributive property. You remember? So the first number here 9, I should do distributed. So I distributed at the first. So the first here 9 and the first here 9 and the first here 9. So the second number here 6. What about this 6? I make what? I break it. Excellent. So I break this 6 to be 2 and what? So I'm going to count after 2 to reach 6. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 4. So the answer will be 4. Here, this array is. So I have this array. So in array, I start by number of row. So it will be row times column. So let's count how many rows we have. 1, 2. So it will be 2 times how many columns here? 1, 2, 3. So it will be 2 times 3. Okay, it will be this one. Now I'm gonna erase this. So here in Junior 3 I have 30 millimeter equal how many centimeter? So if you want to compare between 2 units, you should go to the greater unit. So here I have millimeter and here I have centimeter. So yes, I go to the greater. So now I have centimeter. Centimeter here without any number beside her. So she give or eat? Excellent. So she gonna eat. Centimeter eat how many zeros? Only 1 0. So centimeter gonna eat only 1 0. So the answer it will be 3. So 30 millimeter equal 3 centimeter. The next here 6 liter equal how many milliliter? So I'm gonna cross liter because 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. So I'm gonna cross liter and put 3 zeros. It will be 6,000. I'm gonna choose 6,000. Here 3 times what equal 27. So I have here 3, so I'm gonna sing table 3. Okay, so let's sing table 3 together to reach 27. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. How many fingers? Excellent, 9. So it will be 9. Here I have 4 times 5 equal 5 times what? It's what? It's a commutative property, Junior 3. Yes, I just changed places. So 4 times 5 equal 5 times 4. Okay? So now I'm gonna erase. will be 4. Here 3 times 8. So we're gonna think table 8 or table 3. Choose anyone, okay? I'm gonna say it by table 8. So 8, 16, 24. So the answer here, it will be 24. Here 21 divided 3. So we can think table 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. The answer will be 7. So here 24 and here 7. So we're gonna choose 24. Easy? Okay. Here I have repeated addition. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal what times 2? So if you want to make this repeated addition by multiplication by times, you should count how many groups you have. So let's count how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to start by number of groups. So I have here 5. So it will be 5 times 2. So I'm going to choose 5. Here the missing number in the following fact house is. Here I have 36 and here 6. So what is the missing? So I should think table 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So how many fingers? Excellent, 6 fingers. So the missing number here, it will be 6. Okay? So the next question, the number of sides in pentagon. Pentagon have how many sides? 5. And number of sides in parallelogram. Parallelogram, yes, one of the family of quadrilaterals, so it have 4 sides. So here's 5 and here 4, so I'm gonna choose 5 is greater than 4. Here's the following tally number. So each group, each beam of this tally equal 5. So 5, 10. 5 and 5, it will be 10. I'm going to choose 10. Here I have 5,100. So I'm going to cross 100 and put how many zeros? 2 zeros. So I'm going to cross 100, put only 2 zeros, and write here 5,000. Okay, here 500,000. So I'm going to press 1,000 and put 3 zeros. And write here 500. So here it's 500,000 and here 500,000. So the two sides are equal, so I'm going to use equal. Our vision. So here we're gonna complete each of the following, okay? So 27, 36, 45. We're gonna complete in the same pattern. So 27, 36. So I add how many now? I add 9, excellent. So 27, 36, 45. When I add another 9, it will be 54, and when I add another 9, it will be 63. Okay? So the greatest number which is formed from the digit 2, 4, 0, 5, and 7. So I want the greatest. So the greatest digit here is 7. After 7, I have 5. After 5, I have 4. After 4, I have 2. And the last digit is 0. So, the greatest number I can form from these digits, it will be 75,420. So the next one here, how many vertices are in a hexagon? So I told you Junior 3, hexagon, word hex, it's like 6, hex like 6, so we have 6 sides and 6 vertices. Okay, here the place value. Junior 3, what's meaning over the place value? Place value mean what? Yes, he wants the name of the home. So he wants a place value of 5 in the number 51,246. So what is the home of 5? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So I'm gonna write 10,000. Okay. Here I have 35,493. Here the number in standard form and I'm gonna write it in expanded form. So here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and 10,000. So how many here in 10,000? You can see 3. And how many in thousand? 5. And how many in hundred here? 4. And here, how many in tens? It's 9. And how many in ones? Excellent. 3. Wow. Here we have the part whole model. 32 pence divided among 4 students. So, in a part whole, I start in the big circle with the big number. I want to divide it. So, I have here 32. So, I'm going to write here 32. 32 divided among 4 students. So, he drew 4 small squares. So, 32 divided 4 equal how many? I'm gonna say table 4 to get the answer. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So now how many? Yeah, it's 8. So in each circle, I'm gonna put 8. So 32 divided 4, it will be 8. Let's move to the next word. Okay, so here you want to arrange the following number in ascending order. So ascending mean what, Junior 3? Ascending mean from the smallest to the greatest. Okay, so I'm gonna make what now? I'm gonna count each digit in each number. So, how many digits here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have here 5 digits. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, 6 digits. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here also 6. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 5. So here I have 5 and here I have 5 digits. So I'm gonna circle the number in the biggest place value. So here the number is 8 and here 9. So which one is the smaller, 8 or 9? Yes, 8. So 84,935 is the smaller and the next it will be 98,345. Okay, so now I'm gonna move to the next 2 numbers. In each number I have 6 digits. So here it's 389,000, okay, 345. And here 383,945. So here I have 3 and here I have 3. What should I do now? I should move to the next digit. So the next digit, here I have 8 and here I have 8. Oh, so what should I do now? So each cup here equals 20 milliliters, so we're gonna count by 20. So I'm gonna say 20, 40. So it's 40 milliliters. So I'm gonna stop at 40 and shade this board. Now I have 40 milliliters. This question is about capacity, you remember? Okay, now I'm gonna raise this board. And move to the next. So here I have these two clocks. So he wants the time. He wanted by digital. So digital is like digits. So in the first here I'm gonna write here S and here L. So S means a smaller and L means a long. So I should know first the small hand and now the long hand. So here's the short hand, it's between 12 and 1. So which digit you can take? Yes, excellent. I'm gonna take 12. And here, the big hand, it's at 9. So at 9, how many minutes? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay. So here, I have the small hand and the long hand. So here the small at 11 and here the long at 5. You write 5? No, you write how many minutes at 5. So let's keep count by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, this is the time. Now we're gonna use the line plot to answer the following. So this is our line plot, okay? Each child here equal 1. So he wants the ages of children in music class. Okay. So how many children in the class are 10 years old? So I'm gonna go to 10 years old. So how many at 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Here, what age is the smallest number of children? Which one? Which age from those are the smallest one? It will be age 13 because age 13 have only 2 students. So it will be 13. Here, how many children are joining the music class in all? All. He wants all the students. So I'm gonna count all the X's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So it will be 27.